So I love coming to these events. This will be number 4 for me. It's just brilliant. I think the Adido events really have something different. I love the speakers that they get in, and they get really different speakers. So you're not seeing the same people that you're always seeing on YouTube and Facebook. It's really interesting people from lots of different industries, lots of different areas. So the viewpoints that you get.
Oh, we're so lucky in Bournemouth to have digital marketing events going on all the time. And the Attention event that Adido runs is the first time I've attended one. I was recommended this event and it was brilliant. To kick the day off with Daley Thompson was fantastic, and to be inspired by somebody like Cephas Williams was fantastic. That human connection that comes with digital marketing and with all the stuff that we learned today was absolutely fantastic.
Adido are a really great agency to work with. I've actually known the guys from Adido for probably about 3-4 years now. So when the opportunity came up for new agency, Adido were obviously top of my list. Had 3 agencies that pitched and Adido came out amazing. We've now been working with them for 6 months. Extremely happy with the service we're getting. Great bunch of guys that we work with. I'm really happy with the service.